What are the cost differences between freehand and guided surgery? Well, there's a big grid that you would want to analyze to get the full answer, right? Because a lot of it has to do with chair time. It also has to do with what stage we're talking about. If it is just the cost of getting through the day of surgery, freehand obviously is going to be less. But when we think about the full scope of a full arch surgery, it's from hello to goodbye. And hello is getting the records ready for the day of surgery, and then goodbye is the patient wearing a prosthesis in 6 months. So sometimes of what you save in the very beginning, with maybe a freehand or maybe a simple guide, something like that, does not make up for all of the costs associated with the restorative part of the product. So for instance, GuidedSMILE. When you perform the surgery, you pick up one prosthesis that the patient wears home, you pick up a second one for you or for the referring doctor to easily send records to the laboratory, right? They can be in as little as 2 appointments. We have customers that have hundreds of cases with that second prosthesis. Patient shows up in, let's say 5 months, ready to go to final. They take the second prosthesis, they send the patient home with it. The patient has been wearing a prosthesis for 6 months. It's the perfect prototype for the final. Maybe we make some changes, got a tissue gap, and maybe we're going to change the mold a little and the shape of the teeth, no problem. But it gives us everything else. Implant position, tooth position, bite. It gives us the vertical, gives us the smile, and it gives us patient acceptance. They've been wearing it. They just might want some tweaks. So for the full scope of hello to goodbye, guided surgery is much more cost effective than freehand, denture conversion, and then trying to figure out how to finish a restoration with no duplicate prosthetic. And sometimes even going back to the drawing boards with that patient with that denture conversion. So have a look at our analysis, have a look at the spreadsheet, and you'll see the cost benefit of doing stackable guided surgery with GuidedSMILE.